Welcome to Hamilton Ridge in West Mobile, Alabama. My featured home of the day is this beautiful jasmine floor plan. This home is over 2,000 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom with 2 baths and a 2-car garage. This home features beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen as well as the baths, stainless steel appliances, a beautiful tray ceiling in the living area as well as the primary suite. It features tiled backsplash in the kitchen and a tiled shower in the primary suite. Now don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the price of your homeowner's insurance, which brings that monthly mortgage down. And D.R. Horton is paying up to $4,000 towards your buyer's closing costs. Call today for your private showing. Don't miss these special incentives. Frankie Wink, 251-234-9919. Don't forget, anytime you go to a D.R. Horton community, ask for Frankie Wink, or you can call me and I can meet you there. Remember, my services are free for buyers. It doesn't cost you a penny. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Don't miss this deal. Call today, 251-234-9919.